Everybody, so instead of taking photos, I decided to just make video because that would be easier. But there you are. I was gonna turn around, I was messing with stuff. But anyway, so a while ago we found some property for sale and we bought it, and we're gonna go there now. Show you guys what's going on.
Good way.
Oh, you coming? Are you coming?
ไปบ่
ฮะ
จะไปบ่นี่
จะม่วงแล้ว
4 โมงแล้ว
เดี๋ยวขอรถไปเก็บก่อนเดี๋ยวแป๊บนึง
He said he come keep motorbike
Oh, okay.
จอดใส่
ไปจอดบ้านแล้วไปเอากระเป๋าพร้อม
เร็ว
โอเคโอ้ยน้ำทะเล
ๆ He go keep him parking and then get him back
Oh, he's gonna come?
Yeah
Okay. Huh? What happened? What happened? Who's asshole? Katui's asshole? Huh? Oh, I was just gonna pull in here. No, I'm not pulling in here. You're in the concrete, not in the dirt. Get the car all dirty. I'm gonna have to edit this whole video out now. Oh my God. Let me start over. Let me start over, people. So, we found some property for sale, and then we're going to go look at it today. We got to go pick up her uncle because we're going to make a fence. The neighbor who bought the property next door, they already started making fence, but we're going to go make it a little tougher, stronger. Add to it. Yeah, so we got to go see what they've done. Marie said the neighbor lady's an asshole, so we'll go see. Yeah. Yeah, that's what you said. You told me.
No.
Babe, this is honest video. Anyway, so we're gonna go check that out, and I'll show you guys the property and everything so you guys can see. Because I don't want to take picture, because I'm always forget to take picture. So let's just be easier.
You forget your sweat towel.
No, it's in my pocket. Yeah, my sweat towel. Oops, where's it at? Yeah, Gabe brought down for me.
I saw you put in bed, but
Yeah.
Okay.
And then, because the basket was downstairs. Thank you, Barbie. Thank you, Barbie, for sweat towel. Yes, works awesome. Oh. So now we're just waiting on Katui to come, and then he's gonna go with us, hold Marie's umbrella so she doesn't get super hot out here. Because yeah, this is super hot time right now. So this is the end of hot season, and then about to go into rainy season. So it's super humid. It's still hot, still super hot. A lot hotter than when I came here last time in February.
I think I had to put a case of water in.
I brought a couple.
Put in back. Other people might want.
Oh yeah, go ahead. Go ahead. Grab it real quick.
Oh.
I grabbed a couple.
Won't be now.
Okay. But anyway. So yeah, we're supposed to leave like 9:45. What time is it now? It's like after 10. So we got to go pick up her uncle because he's the one who's going to be doing the building on the fence. And I'm going to try and talk him into building the house that we want to build. But that'll be a little bit, because yeah, we're going to build right here on this property. But then this other property came up for sale, and it's like such a good deal. We're just like, yeah, just like get that. Yeah, much better. Anyway, let's go. property. And property, let me turn the camera around. So property, you can see where he's at here. That's the edge of the property corner. We're gonna add to fence. The neighbor started fence, and we're gonna add to it. So Uncle's over here measuring, and it goes all the way. If you can follow those posts down, all the way. Let me see if I can zoom in. Can't even see, it's too bright out here. All the way over here. Yes. So I don't know how far this is right here. The total of the property, which is all these mango trees, goes all the way down to, that big tree down there. Yeah, that big tree is the end of the property that way. So it's all this mango farm here that we took over. Yes, and then this empty space here. Total was 6 rye. When the neighbor told us about this being for sale, we were just wanting to get just like 2 rye, because the lady was selling it in 2 rye pieces. So you can see like that next fence over here, that's between these posts and those next posts, that's all 2 rye. So then we got 2 rye, and then another 2 rye, and then another 2 rye, which I told Marie, when Marie was telling about it, I told her, yeah, 2 rye is good, but they were long, and property's kind of long and skinny. So I told her, yeah, pick up two plots. If it's too skinny, then pick up two pieces, so 4 rye. And then the lady, so we bought this plot and then the next plot, which goes into the mango farm. And then, so the last piece was like the longest and the skinniest. And the lady's like, oh, it's going to be so difficult to sell. Let me make you guys good price and you can buy that too. So Marie told me about that, and I'm like, all right, let's buy it. So we got 6 rye total now. And yeah, we're going to figure out what to do with all the mangoes. Yeah, it's nice. So the lady that bought this property here next to us, so you can see the post that they already put in for a fence. So they're going to do tapioca, and probably on the other side too. Whoever bought that other property is probably going to do tapioca, maybe. But this neighbor, she's ready to rock and roll and plant some tapioca in here. So I'm like, all right. So they already start putting up fence yesterday. It's like, titles all switched over. The deeds, the land deeds, all switched over. Oh yeah, before anybody asks, those are all in Marie's name. They're all in my wife's name. So yeah. So if she dumps me, yeah, I'm gonna. I have no. They make the foreigner sign a paper at the office saying that yeah, I have no interest in the land. Yeah, I can show you that paper for those of you that are interested. But yeah, I didn't care either way. People are gonna say, yeah, you're dumb, you're a jackass. Yeah, maybe so. But a couple reasons. Like, one, I don't care. It's like the money part, I don't really care. I can always make money. I'm not worried about that. Yeah, the other part, like, I trust my wife. People change, and yeah, we could break up and whatever. That's fine. I don't care where I live. I'll go rent a little studio apartment in the city. Yeah, I don't really care. But Marie says, yeah, no. She gets mad when I talk about that, so she's way over there, so she can't hear me. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys the property. You can see, like, way over there, there's a house over there. This was all the one lady's property, and then they built the house over there, and there's like another smaller house over there too. So yeah, she sold all this property. She broke it all up into 2 rye pieces. But yeah, this property's nice. For the price, you just can't beat it. But yeah, it has concrete road, and then electricity. It doesn't have electricity on the property. The electricity is like down by the house. You can see that green whatever flag there. Yeah, the electricity pulls all the way over there, so got to bring electricity down. Since they're doing a farm next door, they don't need electricity, so we'll probably have to pay for that, but that's fine, whatever. And we have no water on the property either. They had irrigation pipes that they had from the containers over there. We're bringing out and irrigating the mango. But yeah, all this crap underneath the mangoes, they all need to be trimmed up and cleaned up. There's no mangoes on them right now. Of course, with her not being out here, everybody came and stole all the mangoes. Because the owner lives in Bangkok. And she planted all these like a while ago. But what we're probably going to do is we're probably going to set property or set the house up somewhere here in the middle. The middle-ish. Oh, there's banana trees here. Nice. But there's enough room between the trees to put a driveway in, so we're probably gonna have to take a row of these trees out. So probably somewhere around here, take a row of these mango trees out, and then cut down a square back there somewhere in the middle, probably closer to this side. No point in having it too far in the back. I just don't want to be too close to the road. I mean, traffic out here, the only traffic out here is the farm traffic, so it's like tractors and people going out to the farm and doing work and whatever. And the other nice thing too, so it was maybe about 15 minutes to Kumpwapi. That's where Gabe goes to school, and that's where we picked our uncle up in Pandon, which is a little bit further away. But to like Gabe's school, it's just like 15 minutes, and then to her parents, it's like maybe 20 minutes. It's not that far from everything. Yeah, so it's good. Oh, it's hot. Well, it's not too bad. It's just like this time of year, it's really humid. Yeah, just right before the rainy season, it's all overcast and just waiting to rain. I need a selfie stick. Hold this further away. Oh yeah, it's the street here. This is all rubber tree. You can see they don't really take care. They haven't really cut down on the underbrush very much, but it doesn't look like very old trees. Yeah, but you see all the cups, so they're getting rubber off of them. Yeah, nice rubber tree fur, which is awesome. So, and since they're planting tapioca next door here, we won't have anybody living next door. This part of the property here, this first section here, I think we're going to break this up and probably sell it. Break it up into 2 one-rai. Because on the other side, I don't know if all the way over there, they're all over there. There's a dirt road over there right now on the back side of the property, but they're going to come in next year and make concrete road like this side. And yeah, then we can break it up, sell this side of the property, sell that side of the property. Yeah, just break this off into 2 one-rai pieces. Yeah. So, yeah, that'll be nice. Let's go walk over here, see what they're doing. Looks like they had planted something here before, probably tapioca. It's all gone now. Just dirt. There's a few plants growing back. But yeah, all this needs to be cleaned up. Like nobody's been in here forever. Nope. Just call somebody who has a tractor. Have them put on their weed whacker and just... Yes, babe. You need to pee?
Pee. I want to get a box and bag to put
Hang on,
mango.
hang on. Yes. Oh, you found some mango? Nice. Anyway, talk to you later.